everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you where to find the save game files and the configuration file for Halo Campaign Evolved on your PC. Let's get started. Open File Explorer. In the left navigation pane, click on this PC. Open the local disk C. Next, open the Users folder. Open your Windows User folder. Now open the App Data folder. If you don't see the App Data folder, click View at the top of File Explorer, select Show, and then enable Hidden Items. Once the App Data folder is visible, open it. Next, open the Local folder. Then open the Meteorite folder. Open the Saved folder. After that, open the Save Games folder. Inside this folder, you'll find all of your Halo Campaign Evolved save game files. How to find the config file? Go back to the Saved folder. Open the Config folder. Then open the Windows folder. Inside this folder, locate the Game User Settings file. This is the game's main configuration file, where your graphics, display, and other game settings are stored. You can right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Notepad if you want to view or edit its contents. And that's all there is to it. You now know where to find both the save game files and the Game User Settings configuration file for Halo Campaign Evolved on your PC.